Hi guys, it's the Daily Norrie here. Just want to apologise for the lack of videos that's been going on. Just I've had a lot of things going on recently. But hopefully I'll be getting back into it in 2025, maybe doing a lot of car maintenance, car detailing, car washing, stuff like that, while still doing a couple of gaming videos. So the video today is me and the family went up on holiday, up in the Highlands. And as you can see, my brother was actually struggling to get up the drive. Now his car doesn't have snow mode, but my car does. I will be doing a review on this car. I'll do both cars. But I thought I'd just do a wee comparison here to show you the difference between snow mode and no snow mode. Now, I think he does attempt to do this about 3 or 4 times. And you need to kind of watch the bit down the right hand side here, because there's quite a steep hill there. So this is his second attempt, I think it is. And you can see he kind of slides a wee bit here. Yep. Now he needs to really watch that hill. No, it doesn't go for another attempt. So at this stage, I've turned my car into snow mode. And you can see I got up first time. It just shows you the difference between snow mode and a not snow mode car. Right, but I hope you liked the videos, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks very much, guys. Till the next one. Peace out.